Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 277. First we will change the DNS settings on your computer. On Windows click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet and then click Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network and choose Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 for the first box and 8.8.4.4 for the second box. Click OK and close all windows. Restart your computer and test Roblox. If the problem is still there, the next fix is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Press Windows key and R, then type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Find Roblox in the list and uninstall it. After that, open your browser and go to roblox.com/download. Download Roblox again. Install it and launch a game to check if the error is gone. Next, try resetting your network. To reset the network on Windows, open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset now and confirm. Your computer will restart. After the restart, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password again. After completing all these steps, error code 277 should be fixed in most cases. Thanks for watching.